What's going on YouTube? I'm King Joseph, and I am bringing you guys another tutorial today. Today's topic title of this tutorial is how to get more views on YouTube here in 2018. So this tutorial is based off of 2018. It can go on, so on and so forth. But before we jump right into this video, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. If you guys are new in this video, make sure you guys subscribe. Let's see if we can hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of this month. And also, let's see if we can hit 20 likes on this video. I know we can do it, my friends. Just show some love and support. Leave some feedback down in the comments down below. Alright, let's jump right into this video, guys. Alright, so my first tip for you guys to get more views on YouTube is to optimize your title, keywords, and description of your video. So make sure that you have a good title, description, and keywords for your YouTube video, because that is how it will get found. So you're also going to want to follow with the trends, kind of piggyback on the trends. Like this whole the Logan Paul situation. You can make a video about the Logan Paul situation, actually gain yourself an extra 1,000 views off of that you didn't have previously. So keep that in mind, my friends. Alright, so the next tip I have for you guys is to optimize your thumbnail. Make sure you guys optimize your thumbnail, pick and create the best thumbnails for your YouTube videos. If you guys do not know how to create thumbnails, make sure you guys check out my tutorial on my how-to playlist on how to create a thumbnail for YouTube. That will be in the description, or you can just go check out my how-to playlist. So yeah, make sure you guys create a good thumbnail, because that's what is going to entice people to click on your video, which will give you more views over time. If people see an ugly thumbnail, you're not going to get clicks and you're not going to get views. So keep that in mind, my friends. Alright, next tip is annotations. Alright, so you're going to want to add annotations to your videos if you're looking to get more views. So you could tell people, oh, go check out this. Go check out this video, and it could be an annotation that pops up on your video, so it makes it easier for your viewers and subscribers to go watch your videos. So yeah, that's one way to entice people to go watch more videos and entice video and to grow your YouTube views. Yeah. So my next tip for you guys is playlists. Make sure you guys put your videos into playlists or create YouTube playlists, so it makes it easier for your subscribers and viewers to find your videos, and so they're just all organized. So all your videos are organized, and they're not all just disorganized, and people have to go all the way through all of your videos and they don't find the video that they want. If you have a playlist, if you have multiple playlists, your viewers can just go through your playlist section and find what type of video that they want to watch. So that's another way to increase your views, is create playlists, my friends. Alright, so the fifth tip, my last tip for this video, is upload schedule. Make sure you guys create a good upload schedule, upload consistently to your YouTube channel. If you guys don't have an upload schedule, then you're basically not really organized at all with your YouTube channel. You're going to want to make sure that you know when you're going to be uploading, and that your viewers and subscribers know when that you're going to be uploading, so that they can always be the first person to watch your video. So keep that in mind, my friends. Have an upload schedule. You can upload once a week. You can upload twice a week. You can upload every day. This is up to you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More videos like this coming in the future. More tutorials and gameplays coming soon, my friends. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Spawn kill. I just got right. Alright, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.